Hey friends, a lot of people want to check passwords on Google Chrome. So if you open any website, let's say Facebook or gmail.com, and you do not remember the password, then the procedure is as follows. Open Google Chrome, obviously. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Now click on settings. You are in settings, Google Chrome settings here. Click on autofill and passwords. Now you'll find this option for Google Password Manager. Click on it and you'll find all the passwords that are saved here. For example, I have only opened Facebook till now, but if you open any other website and logged in using credentials which were saved, then they will be saved here. So if I want to check my password, I'll click on facebook.com and it will ask for the pin or some other identity. So I'll enter my pin and the password and all the information is displayed here. Now to check my password, I simply have to click on this show password option. I won't click on it because I don't want you to see my password, but all you need to do is click on this I like show password option, and you can also copy your password and paste it somewhere else. And you can also edit the password or delete these credentials, like I don't want anyone else to check my Facebook password, so I don't want it to be saved, so I can simply delete the password. I hope this was easy and interesting. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section and we will reply to it to help you better. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.